I really need a new book. I think I need to move all my stuff online or just get a book that doesn't have pages that just rip. We've got the Blackberry Lavender Vanilla. I used QA23. Did not realize that it moves very slowly. Very, very slowly. All right, so it has been actually over a month since I started this, so it needs to get racked. I'm gonna rack it, and then I'm gonna take the gravity, obviously, and then I'm gonna stabilize it. Ooh. There's a nice zing to it. I don't know if y'all have seen The Mighty Boosh. Sometimes with how I refer to things, I think of Mr. Fossil. The windy man, the long mover. If you don't know what I'm talking about, The Mighty Boosh is on Prime, I believe right now. It's a very strange British comedy, and I highly recommend watching it. All right, I got my racking cane. Give it a couple little pumps. It goes on down into my vessel, and yeah. That's it. I really need just like a new box so that you can see the liquid going from one to the other. I guess it can be nice to watch. Yes, Poof? What you poofing? Are you spagoofing? Come here. Oh my goodness. Hi. You gonna come up? Am I gonna be blessed by the poof? Oh, that's a good poofy. You jumped, you're such a big girl. Wow, good job. Mommy should have used a bag and she didn't. No, because she's a dum-dum. I know. What was I thinking? What you doing, Poofs? What you think of this? She never comes up here. Yes, don't show people your butt, please. They don't want to see your dirty butt. No. You want to snip? She's like, no thanks. She pieces out. You know, I picked up some orange peel. It's fine, I'm not worried about it. I need to get Percy down here again. I just really need to clean this basement. Because as some of you know, if you've watched some of my past videos, she's like rolling around. My cat is naughty. She has behavioral issues and she will just poop on the floor. Thankfully, she only does it down here in the basement. The floor is tile, so it's not like a super big deal. But you know, I gotta like make sure that there isn't any poops lying around before Percy comes down, because the first thing he does is he hunts for them. He's a poopy eater. All right, enough of that. Enough of that. All right, let's see what this is doing. Should be at 1 or below at this point. Okie dokie. No, it's still above 1. What the heck? It's like 1.08. Weird, okay. This started at 1.120. I don't have my phone because I would calculate the ABV, but I don't know why it's not 1. There is residual sweetness. It's been a month. I was just gonna stabilize so I can move on with my frickin' life, but you know what, let me calculate the ABV. I'll go grab my phone real quick. Actually, I've got a calculator. Let's use that. Well, it's almost 15%, actually. Ooh, that's a little high. It's 14.7. Dang. Okay, yeah. I think it's time to stabilize. I don't think it's fermenting anymore. That's pretty high, actually. Okay, let's just, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just do the thing. We're doing the thing. This is about 1 gallon, so I'm gonna put 1 gallon's worth in of everything. Yes, at some point I do want to pasteurize. I would like to have experience doing that. I need a thingy to be able to pasteurize in. What is it called? Sous vide or something like that? I need a thing to do it. Pasteurizing is like in the back of my mind because it's gonna take a big pot that can contain this. You know, I mean, I have to buy something that's probably gonna cost me like $50 to $100. And I'm just not into that right now. All right, here we go. And this stupid thing doesn't wanna, it's a size 7. It's too big. I need a 6 in this. Stabilized, so next step is going to be a bunch of stuff. You know what? Just stay tuned. We're transitioning to the next part of this video. All right, transition time. Hello, welcome back. Today we are adding blackberries. So this mead has been stabilized. I don't remember if I did it on or off camera. I just do things like that. So this baby's almost 15%. It's 14.7%. So I brought this down here just to show you how many blackberries. Clearly some of them are still frozen. This is 2 pounds and 10 ounces. Didn't really plan it out very well, but I think 2 pounds should be okay. Oh shoot, I wanted to crush these a little bit. Let me grab something though real quick. Hopefully this works. I mean, I think it'll smush them a little bit, break stuff up, but then they'll also get stuck, so there's that. Let me make sure my whole hand is sanitized. I'm gonna add some lavender today. However, I'm not adding actual lavender flowers because I can't find them. I don't know where my lavender flowers went, but I do have a edible lavender extract. I bought it for baking and I made some really awesome, TBH, really good lemon lavender shortbread cookies. 10 out of 10 recommend. I think I got this bottle off of Amazon for like $10 or something. It wasn't very expensive. So, you know, it's got, of course, a little bit of alcohol in there, water and lavender oil. And I'm gonna do a little test in my glass and just kind of see what it tastes like. Dump all this. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I do not want berry in my lap. Definitely have a little bit of a mess on my hands. Literally. Oh, I need to do a little taster tester. It's gonna be difficult. I guess this way I'll just know what the lavender tastes like. I'm just gonna taste it without anything. It should just be like a traditional. Yeah. It's got more of an acidic kick, I think, because I put orange peel maybe in there. I don't remember. I don't remember anymore. I could look at my notes, they're sitting right there, but am I? No. Yeah, this is like super lavendery. I'm gonna put like a drop. Oh, I put a lot in there. Okay. Immediately smells like lavender. I probably put way too much. Oh God. No. I'll get more flowers. I don't want that. Okay, well, Angel Bake tastes really good when it's added to cookies, but maybe not so much when it's, you know, added to wine. I can't drink that. Of course, I added like way too much on accident, but no, that was disgusting. We're gonna add lavender later. I'm going to figure out what the heck happened to my flowers. Don't know where they went. And I'm just gonna let that rack. When did I start this? 21st of, oh, the 21st of July? Holy shit, it's been over a month. All right, ta-da, blackberries. Sorry, no lavender edition today. Oh, I need a new airlock, that one's gross. All right, well, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in a couple seconds. Bye. All right, here we are. We are adding lavender flowers. Now, I couldn't find my flowers. I don't know where, why. I don't know what happened to them. So I bought some more. I did not mean to buy this much. This is 4 ounces of flowers. That is a lot. Did not mean to buy that many. But I'm just going to basically just drop a half an ounce of flowers in here. And I'm just gonna throw them in because I have mashed berries. I already have a mess. I did not put them in a bag like a dum-dum. So I'm gonna get out my handy dandy little scale that BC from Doing the Most got me. It is so nice. So nice having this. Whoop, there we go. That's about a half an ounce. 0.511. Blackberry is very pretty. Gonna stir that in a little bit. We'll see if I need more blackberries or not. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm gonna taste this and see how I feel about it real quick. As far as the blackberry goes. Granted, the berries have only been sitting here for like 6 days. It's actually a pretty nice blackberry flavor. I'm gonna add some orange juice and vanilla. Yeah, I think I need some more berry. Well, I will be back with some. All right, just give me a minute. Blackberry, lavender, vanilla. Here we go. We're gonna rack this. I added lavender flowers on the 9th. It's now the 17th. It's been a while. We'll see how lavendery this is. I know I was questioning buying more berries. However, when I went to the store, they were no longer on sale. And I didn't want to spend like $20 for a couple of pounds of berries. You know what I mean? Like, didn't want to do that. I'm praying this isn't just a straight up like freaky lavender drink. And I hope I have enough blackberry. The alcohol on this is rather high, 14.7%. Makes me a little unhappy. I smell the lavender. I probably should have paid more attention as to like, you know, when I should rack. I still might want more honey, but I'm gonna wait until like bottling time. Ain't nothing like a fresh pack of vanilla beans, y'all. So I'm gonna try to split it in half. And then I'm gonna cut into pieces and just toss them on in there. This is another one of those meads that because it has vanilla in it, it's gonna take a while for this baby to be done. All right, y'all. Well, this is it. Wow, I am very happy. Well, I'm gonna end this video here because it's gonna take 2 months for this to finish so that we can rack it. And then see if we need more honey or not. Maybe, but maybe not. It might be nice at kind of that lower sweetness level. I don't really know yet. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know, all those things that YouTubers ask you to do, because it does make a difference. And let me know if you have worked with lavender, if you've made something like this, I am curious to know. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and we'll see you next time. Mwah! Bye!